Hello, I'm in a 2014 Ford Explorer, and today I'm going to show you how to reset your oil life. So first, you'll start the vehicle, wait for everything to populate, and then you should probably see prompts here like oil change required. We're going to use these controls for everything today. So OK clears these out, so OK. OK if needed, if there's more. And then we're going to use these arrows to toggle. So I hit left, and then we'll scroll down to settings and then push OK again. Again, everything from here. And then vehicle, we'll hit OK again. And then we'll scroll down to oil life reset, OK. And then as it says, hold OK to reset. So I'm holding, and there you go. And then as a reminder, this is just something to, more of like a reminder to change your oil. Otherwise, a lot of people put stickers in the corner here. Those are useful for sure. I typically have those, but otherwise this is a great way to monitor it as well. But that's it. I hope this video was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.